am Engineer Chandrasekhar Prabhasai, consulting civil engineer, come government approved valuer based in Margao, Goa. Many times customers comes to our office and tell that they want to construct a house and they need to know how to go about it. With a smile, I ask them whether they need a house or a home. A house is made with walls and beams, whereas a home is built with love and dreams. This is a quote by Ralph Waldo Emerson. Friends, we have built a website www.helptobuildhome.com for answering all your queries pertaining to building your home. So why wait now? Please log in and find your answers. If you find anything remain unanswered, please contact us. Send your questions. Now, coming back to our customers, our next question would be if they have their own plot or do they want to buy a plot. Those who want to buy a plot to start with to build their home, we will cover in today's video how to proceed with the purchase of this plot. Now firstly, it would be better if we contact a trustworthy and an honest broker who can help you to locate a plot. There is an association of realtors in Goa where we can find reputed real estate agents who charges nominal fees for giving you this service. You can as well refer advertisements in the newspapers, etc. But before purchase, visit by a technical expert like engineer is essential because he can verify various points. Firstly, we should check whether the plot will be subjected to flooding in rains. Check the level with respect to the adjacent road level. Secondly, check whether the plot is filled up land or it is a normal, because if the cost of the footing will increase due to low load carrying capacity. Check whether the plot is properly accessible considering the usage of the plot you like to put for. Check the zoning from the ODP available in the TCP's office. For your information, plot can be in conservation zone where different restrictions for developments are specified. If plot is near river or a sea, coastal zone regulations are applicable. NOC from CRZ is required to be taken for development of that plot. Plot in commercial zone will be altogether a different ballgame. We actually need a plot in residential zone with proper open space and road widening, etc. left out. Check the permissible FAR and coverage and any other conditions or restrictions on usage of the said plot. Check any features which will add value to the plot like closeness to school, college, church, airport, seaside, etc. Check negative factors which reduces the value like closeness to cemetery, high tension line, slum areas, garbage treatment plant, sewage treatment plant, etc. Think even about the future developments which may likely to come and can affect the value of the plot you like to develop. Those who believes in Vastu needs to consult Vastu expert at this stage itself. Check if the plot is a cornered plot abutting roads on both the sides. Check the direction of the slope. Check if there is a existing well and check its location, whether it is in the northeast corner or what. We need to check thoroughly the title documents from a reputed lawyer so that in future you won't land in trouble. If you are caught in legal complications, then your dream home will never see light of the day. Check for conversion sanad. Check if the plot is subdivided approved plot or the part of an original bigger property. It is always advisable to go for approved subdivided plot. Check if electricity and water pipeline is available near your plot so that you can take a connection at a later stage. Check the dimensions of the plot. Check whether there is encroachment from the neighbors, etc. Check the actual area. Check nil encumbrance, Form 1 and 14, PT sheet, etc. Check about the past history of the land from the people staying around neighborhood, if possible. And finally, check if you can get loan from the financial institutions for the purchase of the plot if your purchase depends on the sanctioning of the loan by the bank. If you are having a land, your own land, then you need not check all these things, but you can check only few things. But you have to decide about the remedifying these defects which will affect us in development or building a house in it. Here you need an engineer to make this decision. We can definitely help you in handling all the above from our people in the team, if you need so, but at cost. The next stage is then selection of an architect, which we are presenting in the next video. Please do like us and subscribe our channel. Thank you.